Hi, I'm Mark with Perfect Paver Company on top of a travertine patio that we just restored this week. And I'm not here to show you how great it looks because it definitely looks great. What I'm here to show you is what a patio looks like after one time the lawn is cut. So the lawn mowing company, it's a professional lawn mowing company, just came in and mowed the lawn, and they were instructed to thoroughly blow off the patio when they were finished, and which they did, but I wanted to show you what they still left behind. And we've been really preaching aftercare, 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 aftercare is so important when we finish a project to keep it looking great. So I want to show you, this is the problem that causes patios to start looking not so great after we finish them. So if you focus here, this has been cut one time and professionally blown off. We've cleaned up already this much organic material from the patio, this little patio. So this material, what it does is it decomposes into like compost, into the joints, and it sits in the joints. Here you can see this joint here. Look, all that material was just sitting on that joint. All that material, it decomposes and it turns into like organic compost. And then what happens is, as that breaks down, seedlings blow in from neighboring trees and weeds and things like that, and it germinates in that compost pile that you created on top of your pavers. So it's so crucial, every time the lawn is mowed, thoroughly take your leaf blower, your broom, whatever you have, blow off the entire patio, all the joints, all that organic material, grass clippings, mulch, leaves, seedlings, flower buds, get it off the patio. It's your patio's worst nightmare. So if you're looking a little bit more, you can see all this, just right on top of that joint, freshly done, organic material, just pulling it right off of there. This will all decompose, turn black, stain your brand new polymeric sand job, and you'll be right back in the same boat. So aftercare, 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 follow the instructions we give you when we finish the project. They'll be emailed to you. Your technician will educate you on them. If you follow them, your patio is going to stay looking great for a long time. Thanks a lot. Have a great weekend.